So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make these AI baby dancing videos, or basically AI videos in general. And these are the apps we are going to be using. We'll be using ChatGPT to get our prompts. We'll be using Grok AI to visualize the images. We'll be using Gemini, which is also optional if you want to change what the character is wearing. And we'll be using Kling AI for the motion and also CapCut. So I'll be teaching you two different ways of animating. I'm personally using my phone to do this because I feel like it's way more convenient than using your laptop. Okay, so first of all, we are going to get our character and we are going to use ChatGPT for that. So you can ask Chat, you can take a random picture and tell ChatGPT to animate it for you, or you can take a screenshot of an already animated picture, for example, like this. Then you click add photo. Then when you click add photo, you tell ChatGPT prompt to generate an image like this. This is what you tell ChatGPT, and you wait for the prompt. Okay, now so it's giving us the prompt. This is how I do mine. So what I do next is I copy this prompt like this and I go on to Grok. So now we're pasting this on Grok AI. So what I copied from ChatGPT, and we're going to wait for Grok AI to give us an image. So this is basically how you're going to create your character. So let's wait for it to process. And if you don't like, you might choose to write your own prompt by yourself. And this is the prompt it gave us. This is how you can create your own character. Also, you can go to Gemini AI and you select one of these. So if you want to change her clothes, you just say recreate this image but in different clothing. So, and you wait for it. This is if you want a different style, because the one on ChatGPT gives you the prompt for exact image. But this one, if you want her to be wearing something different, and this is what it looks like. This is if you want to change for the Gemini AI. So let's continue with the generating stuff. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to Kling AI. When I go to Kling AI, I click plus, I click AI video, then I click motion control. So for the motion control, what I'm going to do, you click this plus to add the video, the motion video you want to recreate. So for example, this is what you want to use. You click select and you click done. Then the add character, you go and choose the character that you would have to wait for it to load. It takes some time for the video to load, the motion video to load here. So we are going to wait for it to load. Okay, it has successfully loaded. Then you click add character image. Then you click the image that you want to add. So basically, it's going to mimic, your character is going to mimic the motion of this. Then you click generate. I don't have credits now, so I'm just going to show you the ones I've already done before. Okay, so I've done a couple of videos previously. So let me show you what they look like. So this is what the animated video looks like, and it's dancing like this, and this is what the actual video is. As you can see, they are all having the same movement, exactly the same movement, everything. So this is how you do it, easy peasy. Up next, I'm going to teach you how to do exactly this, but you're going to use CapCut to do it. Okay, for the second way to generate a video like that, you go to CapCut. When you go to CapCut, you click new video, then you select the image you want to use. So I already have an image, this image. This is what I want to use for the video. Now what I do is I make it's 10 seconds long. When it's 10 seconds long like this, Then I scroll underneath. You scroll and you look for mimic motion. When you see mimic motion, you click it. Then you click preferably move 1.5. That's what you would use. Then you click to upload your image. It's preferable if the image is 11 seconds long. That's the highest. Then you click on this. This is the video I'm going to use. Then you click add and wait for it to recognize. When it's like this, you click generate. So now we are going to generate this and we are going to wait. You also have to use CapCut Pro for this feature because it uses credits. So now we are going to wait for it to generate and I will show you what the aftermath looks like. So our video has been created and this is what it looks like. So because of YouTube, I can't play the video with sound because I don't know if there is, you know what I mean. So basically this is what it looks like. So now it's just 11 seconds long. If you want the video to be longer, what you have to do is simply go to images, you add an image again, you make it 10 seconds longer. When you make it 10 seconds longer, you repeat the same process. You go down, you look for mimic motion, then you click. Now, all you have to do is to trim the video to where the previous video ended. So that's where the next video would begin from, and you do the same thing. So 30 seconds or more video, and this is how you do it for CapCut. And this is what the two videos look like on CapCut. You see, they are mimicking each other, or rather, the character is mimicking the original video. And you can do this with any character, any video. Thank you so much for watching, and tell me what I should do next.